William Wordsworth was born on 7 April 1770 at Cockermouth, Cumberland, in England, UK, and died on 23 April 1850 at Rydal Mount in the UK. He was the second of five children in his family. His father, John Wordsworth, was an attorney. His mother, Anne Cookson, died when William was only 8 years old. Wordsworth attended grammar school in Cockermouth and then in Hawkshead. He later attended St. John's College, Cambridge, where he developed a deep love for literature and poetry. During his time at Cambridge, he began to form radical political views influenced by the events of the French Revolution. His first poem was published at the age of 16 in the European magazine in 1787. The name of the poem was On Seeing Miss Helen Maria Williams Weep at a Tale of Distress. After completing his education, he set on a walking tour of France, Switzerland, and Germany. His two early collections of poems are Descriptive Sketches and An Evening Walk. Both were published in 1793 by Joseph Johnson, commemorating his walking tour. In 1791, during his visit to France, he fell in love with Annette Wallon, with whom he had a daughter named Caroline. Wordsworth returned to England even before the daughter was born. The affair with Annette inspired the poem Baudricourt and Julia. In 1795, he met Collins at Somerset near Dorset. In 1797, he completed his only play, The Borderer. In 1798, Wordsworth and Collins brought together Lyrical Ballads. The second edition in 1800 named Wordsworth alone as the author and had a short preface. The preface is the manifesto of English Romanticism. It marked the beginning of the Romantic movement. The complete title of Lyrical Ballads is Lyrical Ballads, a few other poems. There are total 23 poems in Lyrical Ballads, 4 by Collins and 19 by Wordsworth. The first poem in Lyrical Ballads was The Rime of the Ancient Mariner by Collins, and the last poem was by Wordsworth, Tintern Abbey. The first 4 poems in the collection were by Collins. The 5th poem in the collection, which is the first by Wordsworth, is The Female Vagrant. Wordsworth married Mary Hutchinson in 1802. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.